The major question everybody have for BBIG, when we gonna go over the $2 and squeeze. Let's discuss the price action, the insider price action for Monday. Where's the bottom and where's the pre-signaling for squeeze for BBIG for the next Monday. So let's get right to it and discuss BBIG, then of course Tide as well. Look what's going on. Last time we talked about BBIG before an unhalting and we did a crazy jump, almost 160%. We spoke about this price action movement. We said if we open after an unhalting above the 0.83, we're gonna have a test for the $1.32. This was the pre-signaling for squeeze for BBIG. We already spoke about this price action for BBIG on the 8th of August. People have a question about it. That's why we did update for you guys. If you're new here, we always do daily update for stocks and even crypto, and even pre-market update for my watch list. And the last one we did on Friday, AGLE, which was a really great hunter. Even the market was down, this one was jumping almost over the 100%. So nice hunt for our hunters on Patreon. If we go back, you see what's happened here. The moment that we held above the $1.32, the level that we spoke about the 8th of August, we held it as support. After we broke it around this area, 17th of August, we held it twice and the price then jumped and gapped. And we spoke about this price action. This is the thing I don't like for any trade. A fake out. This is a fake out. You see this red candle? This is not normal red candle. However, we said we need to hold the $1.32. We gapped. The last update we spoke about BBIG. We said if we broke the $1.32, we're gonna have a test when the market open. Here happened the test. We held above the $1.18. The price went down, we tested the $1.32 and we went around the $1.08, the current support. We have 3 tests or even 4 tests for BBIG for the $1.32. Here 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. Now it's confirmed $1.32 is the most strong resistance for BBIG. Any price holding above, a big volatility, a buying pressure happening. Any price getting below is mean sign of weakness and the short is winning like the game at the time being. Now what we want to have for the next week, another test, this time the $1.59 will be kind of the trigger for going toward the $2.32, is this reaction. We need to have this reaction for BBIG for the next week. Any price holding above the $1.08 is good. And the first time we're gonna have the $1.22, we're gonna have a volatility to test the $1.32. So the best case scenario is holding above the $1.32 again. And after we hold above the $1.32, we're gonna have this pre-signaling for squeeze the $1.59. This would be the best signal for the next week for BBIG to go to the $2.30 and squeeze higher toward the $3, as we said before, $3.50, the first profit taken after the squeeze. Let me just go for Tide pretty quick because many of you who hold in BBIG holding Tide as well. Let me see what's happening. We have a dip and the price closed above the $1.01. So you see this level, the $1 is important level. That's why the after hours jumped 11% for Cryptide. This is not coincident, you know. The price didn't even hold. You see, we didn't hold a closing candle, 1 hour closing candle below the $1. After hours went around the $1.14. And guess what? $1.14 is exactly around this AMA that started forming around here, the $1.14. So if we open next Monday above the $1.14, the price action that we close at and after hours, this will give us a good signal that we're gonna break the $1.21 next week and going toward the $1.63. Oh man, this would be a perfect trade for us. Let me just check how much we can gain for this. 32%. Let me just put my alert for Tide. You have to do it as well, okay? So you never forget this jump. Sometimes I miss some trade because I forget to put alert for them. I kick myself in the stomach because I never did the alert. For BBIG, you have to put it around the $1.34 to give us a pre-signaling for the price starting to have momentum and going toward the $1.59, the pre-signaling for the squeeze, then to go around the official squeeze area for BBIG around the $2.32. We're gonna do update for BBIG and the other stocks and crypto in Monday and the coming days because we do daily update for them. So see you in the next video.